chakolya or varan phada is one of the most popular one-pot meals in Maharashtra. So let's check its recipe today. I will start making the dough first. I am taking wheat flour in a mixing bowl and adding salt to it. After salt, I am adding turmeric powder, red chili powder and little asafoetida. Basically, we have to give little bit of flavor with these spices to the wheat flour. As the last flavor for this wheat flour, we will be adding little bit of coriander and cumin seed powder. Now I am adding little bit of water and then I will be kneading this dough. Varan phada can be said as an Indian sibling of Italian pasta. It's very easy, quick and healthy recipe. All the ingredients we need are available in almost every Indian household. Here I have taken around 1 cup of wheat flour, so I have added around half cup of water. We don't want very soft or very hard dough, so make it little soft so that you can easily roll this. Now that the dough is done, we will start rolling it. I am first dividing it into two parts so that I can roll it easily. We need to roll it like a thin sheet or like we roll the parathas. If you want, you can use only wheat flour and salt for this dough, but the spices we have added gives it extra flavor. While rolling, I am not using any oil or butter, just dusting dry flour as and when needed. Now as you can see, I have almost done with the rolling. Let's cut it into small pieces or give it a diamond shape. You can use a pizza cutter to cutting this. If you don't have pizza cutter, you can use a regular knife like I am using right now. Varan phada are typically in diamond shape or square shape. That's why I am cutting like this. But you can cut them in your favorite shape too. Now we will take these pieces into a plate and make phada out of remaining dough too. Our all phada are ready. Let's make varan, dal or sauce for this. I have heated up oil in a pan for tadka. Now I am adding mustard seeds to it. Now add cumin seeds followed by little turmeric powder and asafoetida. Whenever we cook something out of dal or lentil, we use asafoetida as it helps to digest protein out of dal or lentil. Let's add varan or pre-cooked split pigeon pea or tur dal. You can check the recipe of varan on our channel and the link is in description box below. As you can see, dal looks runny right now, but then also we will be adding one more cup of water as this is soupy kind of dish. Let's flavor this dal with some chili powder, some goda masala. Goda masala is a kind of Maharashtrian garam masala and some kokum juice. Kokum juice gives a sourness, so we are balancing with some jaggery, and last but not the least, some salt to season it. While adding spices to dal, do remember that our dough was also flavored with some spices. Give this dal a good stir and bring it to boil. Our dal is boiling now. Let's add our phada to it. If you will add phada before dal started boiling, then all the phada will stick to each other and to the bottom of pan. So do remember this step very carefully. Just one by one I will add all the phada to varan and then let it cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. Don't cover the pan while cooking. Now it's been 5 minutes and our varan phada are ready to eat. How you can recognize it? You can see all the phada are floating on dal. Let's turn it off and serve it. Enjoy this varan phada till it's warm and do not forget to eat with a spoon of desi ghee. Do try this easy, tasty and healthy recipe at home and do let us know how you like it. Like and share today's recipe, subscribe to our channel and please press the bell icon. Thank you.